according, shall I translate?
So she said that there is a hadith Qudsi which said that all the deeds of humans, it will go back to them, but only fasting is for me. God Almighty has singled it out, and I will pay them, reward them accordingly. She said, what is the wisdom that Allah has specifically singled out or chosen fasting from other?
You know, everything which is halal, which is permissible in Islam, is not eaten during Ramadan for the sake of Allah. So when he eats it, he thinks he is eating for the, even if he thinks that he does it for the sake of Allah, during Ramadan it is tested. Everybody is tried. What he is free to eat, if he stops eating for the sake of Allah, then it shows that his eating was permissible. Otherwise everything he eats becomes haram. So this is the deeper significance of this verse, that in Ramadan or in other fasting, whenever somebody fasts for my sake, he avoids eating, not haram. Haram is haram anyway. Avoids eating halal, which he can eat. So because he does not eat for my sake, so I am his reward. Understand the point?